Welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you what it is like for like naturistic stuff and that kind of stuff, you know, just nature outside. And we're gonna go ahead and do that. And also shout outs. First one goes to Noah Yum. Noah Yum, thank you for subscribing. Now let's get straight into the video. Do, 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 do. Okay.
How'd you like the pie?
Good. Alright, so let's go. Out here. Might as well bring the dog with us. Come on. So first, this is what you call grass. Now grass is very important because this is what keeps your oxygen healthy, and so do these trees. Trees. Those keep oxygen too. And also, I'm gonna give you a close-up of the tree and a close-up of what is on the tree and what's on the leaf of the tree. So first off, gotta zoom in. That's what's on the leaf of the tree. You can't really see it. And then this is what's on the tree, like the branch. Same thing. And then here's what's on the fruit. Here's what's on the fruit that grows from the plantita. So, and then these protect oxygen. So the more you get near it, the more oxygen you get. But the more you trim trees, the less oxygen you get. And if we get to 4,000 likes, I'll do another one of these videos. So stay tuned for a part 2. So, next is on the grass. When you have a dog, you don't want to step on that. So be careful for those brown spots. And also, garden your plantitas that you're growing. This helps us like get the soil really in there. Down underground. This is what helps us. Because we're planning on planting like something like this over here when it was some of these, but we pulled them out, so we're planning on planting those soon. So I don't think we really have something next. Yeah. Hold on. So, this here is what you call a flower. So, these flowers need a lot of water and a lot of sun. There's no sun over here, so that's why all of these flowers are dying, except for the ones up there. And all of those up there too. So yeah, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.